Quick video for anyone that's not used a dishwasher before. So it's just a pull down. You can see in here, sliding rack. So we recommend plates going in here, cutlery in here, sliding rack to the top. So these lift up as well. So cups, glasses, bowls are normally ideal for in here. Make sure that if you have anything that's high up underneath that it doesn't catch that. This is a cutlery basket, which is removable. Once it's loaded, if you come back to the panel here, so switch it on, we recommend mini 30 and then press start and literally shut the door. You'll need a dishwasher tablet. There's some under the sink. This is what it looks like. You can pop it into the basket there and shut it. Alternatively, you can just actually pop it in there in the cutlery basket and then you would shut the door and it will start. Hope that helps.